Okay, so this is the new unopened box. Chef's bath, 18 chef knife. It's actually tempting to think you have to rip it open, but it's just got a flap. It's quite simple. There's just a flap. It's not held closed at all. So let's get rid of the paperwork. And there we have the knife itself. Protected plastic. And there's two protected pieces there. We've really got to be careful with this knife, okay? And this is certainly a knife that you're going to use the sheath with, okay? So there you are. So this is our old knife, just an ordinary one you buy in the supermarket. It does go through. This is the brand new chef's knife. You don't have to work, it's the weight of the knife is pulling it through. It's a lovely feeling. Of course, it's dangerously sharp. Keep away from children and fingers. Let's try with this little chap here. Yeah. The weight of the knife, that's why you have the heavier knife. Now we eat a ton of carrots. So how's it going to be on the carrots? Same thing, you have no impression of having to work. Now cheese, one of my weaknesses, but if I could get thinner slices, then maybe I wouldn't eat so much or so quickly. Now I'm having to work, this is very solid cheese, but I am actually having to chop my way through there. So I'm just working it down. Okay, so final thing, let's try some fruit. Yeah. Some So with the lockdown, we're cooking a lot more, ton more. So I'm getting some really, look at, and this is just going through. Cooked beetroot, this is just going through like a baby now. The weight of the knife is just dropping, it's enough to cut the beetroot. I'm getting some very, very thin slices. Now, I'm not an expert, I'm not a chef that's been doing this for 58 years. And you could probably do it better than me, but I'm using my knuckle. That's the technique, is to use your knuckle to keep the knife away from fingers. Use the knuckle as a measuring. So I can get some wafer thin vegetable slices here. So there you are, the new chef's path knife. There's a link to this in the description.